Hey guys, what's up? Kate's not with me, but I need to talk through this vlog because it's a bunch of random clips from the past 2 days, so keep on watching if you want to see me almost die. So this first clip is about Hurricane Irma, and if you haven't heard of that, then you must live under a rock or be Amish or something. But it's a hurricane that came, I don't know where, I don't watch the news, but it hit Auburn Monday, which is, I'll post this on Wednesday, so it was 2 days ago when you're watching this, and my power was out from 12 a.m. to 11 p.m. and it was not fun, and this is me sitting in my car. Correction, it was 12 p.m. not 12 a.m. when our power went out. I don't know how to tell the time, but I looked it up.
Hey guys, it's currently 5:56. I haven't had power since like 12. My phone has 9%, so I'm sitting in my car. Well, actually, this is my mom's car, but I'm sitting in it. I'm trying to charge my phone, and I'll probably fall asleep in here because I got 2 blankets.
At like 6 p.m. I finally left the house for the first time that day and went to Panera.
Okay, everyone, I got my mango smoothie, so we're good. That's Maddie. That's Emma. That's Caroline. That's Mary Miles. She thinks I'm funny. Now I'm just chilling. I gotta find out what type of Lucky Charms I need to put on my periodic table. And Irma's here, so we came to Panera so we could get Wi-Fi. And I can't flip the camera around, so I'm just awkwardly panning y'all. But I hope this smoothie's good.
I hope so.
Irma-ger.
I'm a cat. Got distracted, but today or yesterday when you're watching this, Kate, Lizzie, and I were going on the interstate to get to Claire's house, so JD could give, my mom's yelling. As I was saying, we were going on the interstate to Claire's house so JD could give her his homecoming sign. That's confusing. I can't vlog. Anyways, we were driving, and it was Lizzie's fault. She told me, just watch it. We got lost. I missed a turn to get to the exit. And we tried to call JD. It was a mess.
Exit, you're gonna get off and then take a right, and you're gonna pass the technology park.
Where?
Okay.
It's gonna say Technology Park North.
It says Wire Road 7. That's where she lives. See what the GPS
It
says.
says we're gonna take exit 42.
Hey.
I don't really know.
We're lost.
what that is.
I took the
Where
wrong
are you?
exit.
Shut up. We're trying to figure
I'm
out
in the
where we
technology
are.
park.
I'm vlogging.
Right? Stop.
I'm in the Technology Park. I'm coming to like the other exit. Cause I just entered in right by Philly Connection. And then you come out here right in front of that, right next to that exit.
Hey, you just get to Claire's house. We're.
Do you need the address?
What street's it on?
It's like Wire Road, and I think you turn left.
It's on
Cause
Field.
right now I'm on.
Then why are we going this way if we're going to Wire Road?
Because we missed it.
You just put in her address. It's 2120 Fieldview Drive.
That was 2021. Wait.
Okay, hold up.
This is a rest area.
Why?
Because this is the closest thing to an exit.
Alright, hold on. I'm on.
Chuck's
No, okay. Get back.
Just
Like
let us.
I'm about to get to the plant farm, which is like way out. So
Can you like park
you
there?
stop?
Or
I mean, I don't want to.
well, I don't. I don't know.
Hold up. I'm trying to think of where you can.
Anywhere
Meet
you
me.
tell me to go, I'm not gonna know what it is. But
Do what?
I'm not gonna know where it is if you like whatever you tell me.
Okay, well, so just get on maps and look up Technology Park North,
Okay.
and just meet me there.
Okay.
We
Or
had to
hold
pull
on,
in no
hold on.
rest.
I'm about to come up on a different, on like another technology park.
Can I not?
So I'll tell you which one this one is, and
Sweetheart, you have to go. You have to
and y'all just
drive.
meet me there, okay?
Can I not?
Okay.
What
Oh.
It's,
What are you doing?
hold up, I'm pulling up here right now.
So it's
To
Technology
gain
Parkway.
speed.
It's Technology Park.
Where am I supposed to go?
west.
Straight. I
So
can't.
put that in.
Why? Because
And-
that's gonna take us even farther.
What?
Just come here.
Where else are
Okay.
you gonna go?
I don't
There's nowhere else
Okay, I'll call you when we get close.
Yes, we gotta hang up because I need
Okay.
to.
Bye.
This is great.
No other place to go.
This is all her fault.
Oh my god, shut up. When I'm on the phone with them trying to figure out where to go and y'all are vlogging.
We don't care.
We're still vlogging.
God, the only technology park is in Georgia.
Wait.
I hate Claire. I hate her.
Search up Auburn Technology Park.
What is that?
It's what we passed.
I know.
Oh, I got it.
16 minutes.
15 minutes. We gotta turn
I have to-
around.
But I
But you
can't.
can't. You have to go straight. Okay, I can. You
turn
turn
way up there. So we're good.
Go.
I'm holding it because you screwed it up last time.
Yes, really.
Yes,
If you tap
really.
now,
Literally
watch a
could have
short
just
video,
literally
you'll
like this
receive
and
30
went.
I literally said, should I turn? You said no, it's at 0.2 miles. I said, okay. I turned off my blinker, went straight. And he said, that's it. Well,
Not that far.
we're going now. Go. I have to go at 5:30. I have to go. It won't start.
Spotify.
Oh, hey,
Put the gates.
I know what this is.
Relaxing at the beach. Let music stay with you through all your lives. Try downloading your music now with Premium.
In 1.5 miles, take exit 42 onto AL 186 East and Wire Road towards US 80.
I get pulled over out here. I swear to God.
This is the speed limit.
Good God.
We have a while going straight, I'm pretty sure.
No, we have a mile.
We're missing in the middle of a test, I ended up so we hit the liquor store. Came back an hour later.
1 mile.
Stepped up.
Take exit 42 onto AL 186 East and Wire Road towards US 80. Then turn left onto AL Highway
Did it
186
say turn
towards
right
Phoenix
at this?
City.
Yes.
Oh, where is
Take
it? Stop
exit
yelling
42
at me.
onto AL 186 East and Wire Road towards US 80.
I obviously
Then
don't
turn
know
left
it.
onto AL Highway 186 towards Phoenix
Fudge.
City.
You're taking
Here
this
it is.
exit.
I see it now. Thank you. Buckle up. I'm buckled. That's. Oh, that's gas. Great. Thanks, Stacy. She drove around all day yesterday trying to get some mother effing fries from McDonald's, and they were all closed because of Irma. So thanks, Irma.
You're gonna run out of freaking gas.
Take
Oh my
exit
God.
42
On Wire
onto AL
Road.
186 East and Wire Road.
I'm going. Now where?
In a quarter mile, turn
No,
left
across
onto
the
AL
bridge and
Highway
you're coming out right
186
there.
toward Phoenix City.
Now I can use clickbait and be like, we almost ran. Do I have to stop?
Turn left
No,
onto
just
AL
wait,
Highway
wait, I don't
186
even-
toward
Yeah, I
Phoenix
think I
City.
do have to stop.
And please don't go into. No, please don't.
I'm not going.
That was so painful. Like, I'm crying. My stomach is aching. Wait, this is your lane.
I like how you tried
In
to tell
800
me I wasn't
feet,
going
turn
on
left to merge
interstate.
onto I-85 north toward
You shouldn't
Atlanta.
have gotten there.
What did it say? What did
You
it
go
say?
right here.
Where? Right here.
Right here. We just turn
Turn
right
left to
here.
merge onto I-85 north toward Atlanta.
Okay, good God.
He just shared his location.
Oh
Get
yeah.
out of
Oh yeah, I forgot I had to turn around. I thought I could go there though. I'm so confused. I have to yield.
Oh my God.
No, you have to gain speed, Addison. You have to gain speed.
You're gonna get hit by the truck. Go. Go.
2 miles, take exit 50 onto Auburn Technology Parkway. In 7 miles, take exit 50 onto Auburn Technology Parkway.
7 miles?
In 6.9 miles,
Addison,
take
the whole
exit
point of
50
that
onto
lane
Auburn
is to
Technology
gain
Parkway.
speed, so you're matching the speed of them
But I
moving
couldn't
cars.
keep speed and then stop and wait. That wouldn't make sense. I had to get over first.
No, that's not how it works.
So yeah, that truck definitely almost hit us, so thumbnail clickbait. But yeah, we finally made it to Claire's, and he gave her the sign, and all is well and right in the world.
Okay, JD's about to ask Claire to homecoming. Yeah, her whole family's out here, so it's awkward.
Hold on, show the little.
Yeah,
It's not gonna.
we'll just take a picture later.
Okay.
Turn off the looking through the door. Gotta get her reaction.
Go.
Move, we need to.
Working mission.
Evan. Come back. Turn this way.
Yeah.
Turn this way.
Moosey, keep the dog.
Turn. Okay.
Okay guys, thanks for dealing with my mental breakdown through the video. Give this a like and subscribe because we're struggling teens in America. Why not? Just like it please. Bye.